Hello again, everyone. Oh boy, Truck CB Sales here once again with an RCI-2995DX HP Truckerized tune-up report for Curt in Michigan. Curt, I got you ready to go, man. This thing is ready to rock and roll. Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. Look at them beautiful meters. All my power mods, audio mods, upgrades to the power supply, wideband transmit receive, clarifier mod, amp on off switch, high cut filter. This thing is rocking, dude. This thing is rocking. So let me go on up here. 250 watt scale focus. There we go. Now we're going to start with the RF power all the way down, Curt, okay? Turn the amp on. Top scale. So it's about 5 watts all the way down. In case you sat around like an 8 or 10 peel or something, you got full adjustability. 60 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 130 bird average. 500 watt slug in peak. 310 peak. Thank you, Ranger. With some mods to the supply and all the power mods and upgrades. And a reflection of my shirt. This thing is a beast. Curt, we're going to get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. Really enjoyed this build. And shoot me some feedback. Let me know how you like this beast, okay? I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got Truckerized, Mr. Curt. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.